Uh, Dear all, thank you for joining. I will go live in another 10 seconds. Yes, can you please come on camera? Just for the first 10 minutes, okay? Thank you for joining. I can see some people. If you can hear me and see me, just type clear in the chat box. Can you please come on camera? Govind, Rajesh, Rajvanti, Ihan. Hi, Bimlesh. Yeah, I can see you. Govind, yes, first 10 minutes, can you please come on camera? Please be on mute. Okay, I'll take questions at the end. Please introduce yourself in the chat box. Yeah, please introduce yourself in the chat box. Type your name, your city, and the industry you serve. Please come on camera. First 10 minutes. First 10 minutes. After then, you can switch off your camera. Hello, sir. Jitendra Chaudhary. I can see you. Welcome to LMF community. I can see Bimlesh. First 10 minutes, please come on camera. In the meantime, please type this in the chat box. Bimlesh, I can see Bimlesh. Hello, Dilip sir. I can see you. Welcome to LMF community. Gopi Chandu. Please type your city, name and city in the chat box. Rajvanti, Rajesh, Govind. Hi, Govind sir. There are 46 people who joined this workshop. In the group, there are 3 extra numbers. Okay, Dilip, yeah. Welcome, Dilip from Bangalore. Please type your name and city in the chat box. Welcome, Rajvanti from Coimbatore. How many of you know me already? Okay, you are seeing me for the first time. If you're someone referred you, type R. Type R in the chat box if someone referred you. If you are seeing me for the first time, type 1. Mugund, Jayesh, please can you please come on camera for the first 10 minutes? We are joining 10 minutes early just for this introduction today. From tomorrow, what happens is we will take Q&A questions for the first 10 minutes. Hi Jayesh, hi Rajesh. Okay, I can see 15 people. Hi Deepak. Hi MJ, madam. I don't know who is your name. What is your name? Okay. Let's wait. Okay, today first day people will take some time to join. Okay, this technical issues will be there. Okay, we will wait till 7:35 today. All right. So till then we'll take some questions. Okay. From where you saw me? Okay, if you saw me on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, FI or I or Y? FB. FI or Y? Instagram. Yes. Yes. Okay, always Facebook. Okay, I don't have a channel on YouTube, so very minimum number of people might have saw me on YouTube. Instagram. Vihan, Satish, Rajvanti, Rajesh, Tu Rajesh, Mugund, Jitendra, Jayesh. Okay. At any point of time, I can see what you can see, but I cannot hear what you can hear. If my voice is breaking, you have to let me know in the chat box. Okay. It is better to take this course from a computer. Okay, it is very difficult to follow what I say in mobile phone. So, so referred by Dr. Renu and Sandeep Rajanti. Yeah, welcome. Yeah, only one referrals, right? Anybody coming here from referral or my previous batch? Type R. Type R. If you are attending for the second time, some people will attend for the second time. And I want to know your city, okay? Me too, referred by Dr. Renu and Tandeep. Yeah, that's fine, okay? But you can join from mobile, but do the exercise on a laptop, okay? You have 24 hours to do the exercises. It is very easy. The oldest student who joined my workshop is of age 65, okay? He completed everything himself. So it will be the technical things will be very, very easy, but you have to pay some time and do the work. And definitely you could be able to achieve the results in 5 days. Yeah. I use an iPad, that's fine, okay? But to do the exercise, you have to have a computer. It's impossible to do it in an iPad or mobile phone. Hello, Manjula madam. Your name came as Diamond Manjula. Are you a Diamond Manjula? Yes, right? Yeah. Gopi Chandu, Mugund, Satish. Okay, if you join from 2 devices, you will hear some echoes. Okay, you can join from two devices at the same time, but you will hear from some echoes. You have to mute the other device. Hi Rajesh. Hi Coach Vijay Prayag. Please come on camera. First 10 minutes. Then it's not needed. First 10 minutes. Please come on camera. Chat. Bangalore, Rajvanti, I use an iPad. That's fine. Today I'm on field work. That's all right, Jayesh. Okay. Govind. Okay. So you are referred by Dr. Renu. Okay. Type your name and city in the chat box so that people know someone will be from the same city. Welcome, Rajvanti, madam. Okay, I will address everyone as madam and sir. It's not like I'm used to addressing people like that. Okay. Yeah. Odisha and Bangalore. Rajesh from Odisha. Welcome, Rajesh from Odisha. Welcome, Gopi Chandu from Nellore. Welcome, Govind from Kerala. Kollam, Kerala. We'll allow some time. Okay. Today, people will, first day, because of the first day, we will start by 7:35. Okay. But from tomorrow onwards, I will start exactly at 7:32. But you can join 10 minutes early. Daily, you can join 10 minutes early. And first 10 minutes, we will discuss the questions. Okay. Whatever the questions you have from the previous day, we will discuss. And the WhatsApp group is there for support. WhatsApp group will be open from today 8:30. Okay. Today, I will open from tomorrow 6 a.m. It will be open till Saturday 8 p.m. Till Saturday 8 p.m. The group will always be open. It will never be closed. Okay. Actually, I will close during the session. Okay, people will be messaging during the session. So group will be always be open. You can send your exercises and you can send your questions in the WhatsApp. I will address that in the WhatsApp also. Welcome, Manjula from Bangalore. Welcome, Kiran from Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. Welcome, Satish from Mumbai. Yeah, we'll wait 24. I would expect around 35 attendance today. Let's see. Because 44 people paid $9.99. I ran some New Year offers. Okay, for those who don't know, I ran some New Year offers and said only $4.99. And I believe 10 people paid $4.99. And today I got so many messages. I need $4.99 link, $4.99 link. Okay, last day the demand usually goes high. Okay, I said no. Maybe in January 2024, I'll give to $4.99 again. Okay. So welcome Rupesh from Ishta. So you people are very lucky here because 50 people paid $9.99. And there are 150 people who tried to make the payment and they couldn't complete the payment. So they couldn't join here. Okay. I said people will be asking whether there is any demo classes available. That's why I'm doing Facebook live here. Okay, demo. Or just for 5 minutes so that they know about this. Okay, camera. Yeah. This is for them who asked for demo for paying $9.99. Yeah. At 7:30, we will wait 5 more minutes. Okay. Core success link. How recording you will get? The recordings are useless without the core success link. Okay, you will understand at the end of today why I say this. Because if you open your core success, I'll share a core success link, my core success link. Okay, in the first WhatsApp message we sent, there is a link called core success link. You have to click that, and there you will find all the materials and the recordings. Okay, this core success link is also there on the group description. It's also there on the group description, and core success link is unique for you. Okay, I'll open the core success link. I'll send this in the chat box. That is my core success link. So similarly, you might have received your own core success link. Okay, if you open the core success link, you will see day 1. Okay. Okay. This is, I'm opening the core success link. Can you see day 1 links and recordings? Day 1. Similarly, you will find day 2, day 3, everything you will find it here. And the recordings also you will find it here. Today, now 2 people paid for the course, they want the link. How can I send? So if you pay at the last minute, you always miss something. Okay, that's fine. In the meantime, go to the course access link and see whether the day 1 you can access it or not. First thing here, you will get the recording, and here there is an exercise. Okay, this is what we are going to do live. And you should use your course access link, because my course access link stops working exactly at Friday 8 p.m. Your course access link will continue to work. Okay, you should not use my course access link. Just to avoid confusion, I am sharing my course access link here. All right. Welcome, Sandeep. Please come on camera for the first 10 minutes. We'll start exactly in 3 minutes. 7:35 we will start. Okay. Every day we will we will complete exactly at 8:30 p.m. We will complete. Final at the end of the session, we will have a Q&A session, voice Q&A session. First day and second day, we will have enough time for questions. Third day also we will have time. Fourth and fifth day, we will not have time for voice questions. But today and tomorrow, we will have enough time. And I will tell you, I have best equipment, but still this can fail. Okay, internet connection can go wrong. Okay, the technical issues happen. Please be patient. I will connect with you again. Okay, I will not fail you. Okay. Sanjeev, Deepak, Dharmveer, I see only the people. Yes, I see Prashant and Dilip. This is the advantage of doing this live. This is something you will not get on YouTube. Okay, you are coming here. If you switch on the camera, at least for the first 10 minutes, you switch on the camera. We don't know. I don't know you. Okay, and I'll tell you. Final day, you will know. Someone is going to get someone here. Okay, 34. Not someone. I will say out of this 34, at least 2 or 3 people is going to get your first client, even though you are a complete beginner. If you think, how many of you think this is not possible? Type N. P if you think if this is possible. N or P? What is P? Not possible. Who is that not possible? I want to remember the name. Ramakant Chavant. Okay. Final day, I will prove it to you. Someone here, if you attend all the 5-day session, someone is going to get a first client. Okay, they will give the contact number and they will pay. Okay, someone here, I don't know who that is. It always happens in my session. In the last 3 sessions, I conduct one session per month. It is always happen. Okay, it's 7:35. I'll start right now. Okay, you can feel free to switch off your cameras right now. Okay. So can we start? Type yes. My voice, I can see what you see. But if my voice is not reaching you, you have to let me know in the chat box, else I will not know. Okay, this is the only request I have for you. Okay, so please type yes. Hi Sandeep sir. Yeah, please type yes. I'll proceed. Okay. So I will tell you the first things first. How you will join this daily meeting? I sent you the meeting link in your WhatsApp. Okay, meeting link is there in the WhatsApp. In the core success link, the first button at the top, you see there is a button, LMF live workshop Zoom meeting link. You can join using this link or in the group description. Okay, in the LMF 10 group description, WhatsApp. How will you join? In the WhatsApp group, LMF 10 Jan 23 to 27, go to the group description. There you will find the meeting link. Okay, I will not send the meeting link again and again. You have to join by going to the group description and click the link and join. This is how you join the meeting daily, exactly at 7:30 p.m. All days, 7:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time, IST. Okay. So I will show you LMF 10. This is the group. If you go here, here there is a link. Okay, this is the meeting link. Okay, I type clear. If this is clear, you know how to join daily. Okay. Yeah. So now I will start. Why not YouTube? This is the age of information overload. Why can't you learn the same on YouTube? And what motivated you to pay 999 for this course? A short answer? Any short answer? Because in YouTube, there is no personal touch. The information is scattered. Okay, you cannot ask questions. Now I can see you and you can see me. I can read your names. Okay, Bimalesh, Satish, Rajvanti, your authenticity. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, Satish. Yeah, this is what missing in the YouTube. I will tell you at the in the score how you should use YouTube. Okay, so this is what missing in YouTube, the personal touch, and you cannot communicate with the person who is teaching. Okay, now let's make it interactive. Okay, I know you are all mute. You are all on mute. Okay, but throughout the session, I will ask some questions. You will answer in here in the chat box in a single word. I try to communicate. Okay, let's make this interactive. Okay, this is my request, and that is why you paid 999 for nothing else. Okay, yeah, I will stop the Facebook live. I cannot give everything for free. Okay, yeah. Now, let's make it interactive. So, quick intro. I'm not going to give my intro. Even if you don't know me, in my website, in the about section, there is a video that is only 3 minutes. Please go and watch that video. You know more about me. I'm not going to waste 2 minutes of your time by saying about this. But what is important is what Jagan Krish is going to do for you in 5 days. That is important. Who I am is not important. Okay. I will tell you what I can do. 1 minute, 1 minute. Sorry for the inconvenience. I have to close this. Yeah. What I will do for you in this 5 days. I will tell you how to get the 10x return on the investment. You paid 999 or 499. Okay. Because of the offer, New Year offer. If you want to get 10 times return on the investment, you have to appear all days live. Okay. Because recordings are always going to be there. I'm going to send the recordings. Okay. Recordings are there on YouTube. You can watch the same on YouTube. But if you appear all days live, you will take the 10x. You will make something you will make 10 times return on the investment. That's what I am requesting you to appear all this live. Type I will if you will appear. Okay. Type I will. Now, LMF course is designed for business people and for non-technical people. This is not a technical class. Okay. For example, is there how many of you are of age above 45? Type me if your age is above 45. Type me. Okay. The average age of people who joins my session is 45. I know you are a business person. I know you don't have time, and that's why I made this course extremely valuable. Okay. So this is designed for specifically for business people, non-technical people of age 20 to 65. Okay, this doesn't matter. Okay, I have a person who age 65 who completed this workshop. This is just a number. But if you pay attention, if you appear all days live, you could be able to get results from this workshop. Okay. I will tell you why 5 days and why 7:30 p.m. I used to conduct this in the early morning. That's why the old videos are recorded. I say 7 a.m. Why 5 days is we will get enough time. I will tell you the agenda. What happens Monday to Friday. Monday and Tuesday, the exercises are very, very easy. Okay. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we will have enough time for voice-based questions at the end. Okay. Friday, Thursday and Friday, we will not have enough time. It will take some 70 or 80 minutes on Thursday and Friday. Okay. So this is why I designed this course from Monday to Friday. Very, very small exercise so that even a complete non-technical person can get the result. Okay. Intermediate and experienced, please excuse. Okay. So second, third, and fourth day, bring your tech team. If you have any one person, even I have one person. Okay. If I have any technical queries, I'll call one person and ask doubts. If you have any such person, bring him for free. Tomorrow, second, third, and fourth day. Okay. It's not that it's very, very technical, but if you have someone whom you have a technical team or technical person, you can bring them in for free, but don't add them in the WhatsApp group. Okay. This is my request. Okay. I have 3 extra numbers in the WhatsApp group. I will remove them today. This is my only request. Don't add them in the WhatsApp group. You have to ask the question. Okay. Not them. Yeah. Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday, bring your tech team if you have. Yes, that is just fine. So set your priorities right. Okay. I know you are a business person or a coach or a consultant. Please try to attend all days live. You will get the recordings in the course assessment. You will get the recordings, but voice breaking. Is it voice breaking? Sorry. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, now is it clear? I can see everything is right here. Type clear if it is clear right now. Okay, I'll proceed. Clear, right? There are so many voice breaking. Okay, which someone go? Please, if you appear all days live, you will take 10x return on investment. Okay, it will move you forward from where you are. Okay. Yeah. Prioritize your work this week, 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. All I need is 1 hour. Okay. So just because I'm sitting here, don't believe me and don't trust me. Okay. Trust the facts. Okay. There is something that I say. Okay. This is where you will go and use YouTube. Okay. Trust whatever I say, go and research on YouTube whether this person saying it is right or not. Okay. That is where you use the YouTube, this place. Okay. Don't trust me just because I sit here and say. Trust the facts. Okay. This is where the fact you can research it on YouTube. So I'm going to ask quick questions. Okay. Type a single word answer. Okay. This is a beginner friendly workshop, you know. 1 minute. I will check one more time. My voice is audible now. It's taking from my AirPods. Okay. So quick questions, okay? If you are a coach or a consultant, teacher, doctor, professor, type C. If you are a coach or a consultant, type C. If you consult people, so many teachers, okay. If you consider yourself as a business owner, type B. Only two business owners, okay. So 2 business owners, 3, 4, okay. So if you have a product or a service, if you are a business owner, if you have a product or a service, type PRS. What's lost? Okay, I'll go wired, okay. Yeah. Now is it clear? Yes. Is there any echo? If I present this way, there will be echo. That's why I don't do it. Okay. Wired quality always overtakes this wireless quality. This is 10,000 rupees. This is 200 rupees. Okay. Video also break. This is one reason I don't conduct at the night. Okay. If it is an early morning, this issues will not happen. Okay. So let's see. Okay. If you are a business owner, if you have a product or a service, type PRS. PRS. Service. No. Product or a service. Yes, service. Okay, only one person have a product, right? Okay. So is there anyone else here apart from these 3 categories? These 3 categories, type me. If you are a student, or an employee trying to learn something, student or an employee, type me, student. Okay. But you want to launch your business. So only one student here. So now you got it. There are different, my thing is, there are different people from different industries. They are from different places in your path. Okay, maybe you can be an expert, maybe you are a beginner, but whoever you are, wherever you are on your path, you can get results from this workshop. And this is a beginner friendly workshop. Okay. So what you will get in the 5 days, you are going to get a 1-page website, exactly like what I use. And that website has a 160 plus languages support. And you are going to get an Android app with the app icon, with your app icon. And you are going to get your iOS app. And you are going to get a lead management system to collect leads, people who are interested in your service, to collect this lead management system. And this will be set up on your phone. This is what we are going to do in the 5 days. What will you achieve using this? Using those tools, what you will achieve is you will learn how to make your first sale. And someone here is going to make that first sale. Okay, if you complete all 4 days exercise. Okay, this is what you are going to achieve using those tools. And who are experts, you will learn how to triple your sales. Okay, this is the outcome of this course. Why we are creating the LMF system? For this reason. Okay, now are you ready? Will you appear for 5 days live? Do you commit for 5 days? Type commit. Okay, if you don't come live, this is not going to happen. Type commit. Type I commit. Yeah, I see many I commits. Now today I see 40. 46 registered and 6 absent. Okay, it always be around only 70% attendance on the final day. Okay, let's see. Okay, today's goal is, it is going to take 60 minutes, not 60 minutes, 30 minutes will complete. We are going to we are going to create a domain name, and we are going to create the cloud hosting ready in the next half an hour. Okay. Help me serve you better. It's okay if you are stuck. If you have any questions, it's okay. You can ask questions at the end, and in the WhatsApp group, it will be open. Okay, I'm stuck. Usually this will not happen. Today is you cannot even read what is here, right? It will be very, very clear. I don't know today what happened. Can you read what is in the screen? Yes, it's not clear. Even I can see. It will be usually clear. Uh, 1 minute. Sorry, 1 minute. Okay, I will disconnect some screens and see. I have 100 Mbps connection and a Mac and an iPhone, but still this happens. That's fine. So today there will be a delay of 5 minutes. Please adjust. Yeah. Now I think it's better. Correct? Is it better? Type B. I will make sure tomorrow this never happens. Okay. Yeah. So now okay, if you are stuck, it's okay. We will have Q&A session at the end. No questions in between. Okay. Only if my voice is not clear, please let me know. No questions in between. All right. So why you are going to create LMF system? I told you all this. Okay. We are creating this website and app in order to learn how to make a first sale, how to get a first client. This is what we are going to do. Okay. And now I'll tell you, we are not going to build a website. What we are going to do is, we are going to build a solid online foundation for your business in only 5 days. Whatever we are going to create, what is a solid online foundation? Solid online foundation is something that works, a website that works insanely fast on all the devices you see, even on this device, even on a bots or the screen, even on a geophone, it works insanely fast. Even if there is no internet connection, the system we are going to create is going to work. Okay, that is what I call as solid online foundation, and that works best for the next 5 years. Even if you don't touch, 5 days you spend with me, you create the system and don't touch it for the next 5 years. On the next 5th year, 2027 January, you will get clients using the system you create in just 5 days. This is something I guarantee. All you have to spend is 5 days with me. Okay. So do you commit for 5 days? 5 hours in 5 days. Okay. Commit, type commit. So now I'll tell you what is lead magnet formula. What is lead magnet formula? Lead magnet formula is something that I named it as my system. Okay. I created a system. Okay. Jagan Krish. What is the goal of having a website?
We are going to create a website. Okay, website or solid online foundation, a funnel. There are different names. This is what we are going to create. What is the goal of this? What is the goal of this? Can you please type the goal of this website? Why do you even need a website? The goal of this website. Correct. Okay, the goal of this website is to get the contact number of the person who is interested in our services. If this can do this, this is successful. It is your responsibility to make the sale. Okay, it's not the website's responsibility. Okay, so this website should attract the leads, and that's why I called this system as lead magnets. Okay, so the system we are going to create is going to attract it. Okay, and this lead magnet formula applies even before we start to think of a domain name. I'm going to let you know. Okay. So I told you this, the goal of having a website is to just get the contact number of a people who is interested in our services. That is what we are going to do. And how many of you already have a website? Okay, type A if you already have a website. A. Is it an asset for you or liability? If you already have a website, type, if it is an asset, type A, liability, type A, asset and liability. If you pay for that services again and again every year, you don't even get a single lead. So Kiran have an asset, Jitendra have an asset. Okay. So I have a question for everyone who typed A, asset. Okay, at the end, 5th day. For everyone who have a liability, we are going to convert that to an asset. And everyone who have an asset, you are going to learn how to triple your sales. Okay. So can we go ahead and create an asset for your business using LMF? Type yes. Now I'll tell you what is a domain name. Domain name. I said, right, this LMF formula applies even before you start to think of a domain name. The domain name is something jagankrish.com. That is a domain name. Okay. How to choose the domain name properly? Okay. I will tell you. You have to choose the domain name properly. I will tell you how to choose a domain name using LMF. These are the rules. Okay. And there are tools in the LMF core success link where you can do this. Okay, there is no famous names you can choose. For example, Jagan Krish is not a famous name. Okay, at least in Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, not a famous name. So I chose my own name. If your name is Sachin, Sachin.com will not work. It will fail. No matter how much money you pour into marketing, Sachin.com will fail because there is a famous person. Okay, if I say no famous name, no famous city name, no famous currency name, no parents' country name, no famous caste name, nothing should come in the domain name. Today, your business may exist in India, but tomorrow it will die in the United States, in the whole world. We are creating a system so that it is accessible to the entire world. So no famous names. Okay. So no criminal past records. What is a criminal past records? I will tell you. You choose a domain name. For example, jagankrish.com. What if 5 years before someone from China choose the same domain name and did some illegal activity in the domain name, and he closed 3 years back? We don't know. Today I register jagankrish.com and I'll do it and I pour money into marketing and nothing works. I don't even know. Okay, there should be no criminal past records, at least for the last 10 years. Okay, I'll tell you how to check this. Okay, and top level TLD preferred. Okay, the top level TLD is something .com and .in. If you are going to do business only in India, choose .in, else .com. Throughout the globe, it is .com. Choose no other domain names. .live, .co.in. These are the domain names you should not choose. Okay, always choose top level TLDs, top level domain names, .com and .in, so that, okay, it should be short, 8 to 12 letters. Okay, you cannot, the domain name should be, see, my name is jagankrishnaraj.com. I shorted. Okay, it should become a brand name in the future. Okay, so it should be short. What is preferable is only 8 to 12 letters. Okay, more than that, don't prefer it. Okay, so it should be easily rememberable names. Okay, you can create a brand name. It should be easily rememberable. Don't use something and a digit in the bit. Okay, very important thing. Don't start a domain name with a number. Okay, it will not work. And don't use hyphens. Okay, Jagan dash Krish. Okay, Jagan dash. Dash is something that is the only character allowed in a domain name. Don't use dash. Don't start the domain name with a digit. Okay, so register for 5 years for everyone who typed a asset. For everyone who typed asset, go and register this domain name for 5 years because you already have an asset. This is a good search engine signal. Google knows that you are serious about doing business, and they will credit you, and they will send their traffic, and they will not agree it publicly, but this works. If you have an established domain name, you know you are not going to change this for the next 5 years or 10 years. Go and register for 10 years. My products, I always register for 10 years. Okay, there are intelligent people sitting here thinking just to steal your domain name. We don't want that to happen. Okay, RBI changed some rules, and you will lose the credit card in the account, and they will suspend your account. You will lose your domain name. Okay, we don't make the payment every year. So if you don't want that to happen, go and register for 5 years. And today, everyone who typed A, go and renew for 5 years. And maximum you can renew for 10 years. Okay, if there is no .com available, you can use .io. Okay, suppose this is something it recently gained popularity. When I start registering this, for example, my product, I have vidi.io. Okay, it used to be only 200 or 300 rupees. Now it became 3,000 or 4,000 rupees. Okay, if .com is not available, and if you want to do business globally, choose .io. It will be available. Okay, and if you cannot afford that 5,000 rupees per year, you can choose .in, not co.in. You choose always .in, your name .in. Okay, and India, it will show up only in India. It will not show up in other countries outside of India. Okay, if you are going to do business globally, choose .com or .io, else .in. .co, no, that's not a top level domain name. The end should denote a country name. .co is not denoting a country name. Okay, just because this .com is saturated, all this small domain names gains popularity. But if you are going to do Google advertising and Facebook advertising in the future, don't do .co. It will lose so much of money in the marketing. Okay, use .in. That's better if you are just starting right now. There are some domains where Google will not even allow in advertising. .live. Okay, yeah, I will tell you why GoDaddy. How many of you already have a domain name? What is a domain name provider? Please type. What is a domain name provider? What is the domain name provider you use? GoDaddy. I suggest GoDaddy because GoDaddy has this 70% of the domain names in the world is controlled by them. Okay, they are global provider established in entire world. No matter what happens in one country, if there is a war in Ukraine, your domain name will not get affected. But if you choose small players, okay, from India, if there is a war or a big thing happens, worst thing happen here, your domain name will stop working. Okay, there is a company called Akamai. They profile all the providers. Okay, I have a friend there. So he used to tell me GoDaddy is the best provider. Okay, remember, we are not building a website here. We are building a foundation. So we have to choose the best providers in the industry, and the price is almost same. Bluehost, there are a lot of providers, other providers who does this. Okay, choose GoDaddy. Okay, and why cloud hosting is the future? Yeah, you can follow this, and you can do unlimited number of domain names. Any number of domain names you can do it. Okay, why cloud hosting is the future? I'll tell you. We are going to create an account with Amazon Web Services. Amazon is a cloud hosting provider. Cloud hosting is going to be the future because, see, I will tell you, this is a hard disk. Okay, this is a hard disk. Okay, I can connect this hard disk to this computer here, to this computer, and I can run a hosting service from here. Will you buy from me? You cannot buy from me. Because what if there is a power failure in this building? What if there is a earthquake happens? Your website will be down. This will not happen in the cloud hosting. Okay, if you create a cloud hosting, you can be very sure that your website is running from the same technology where Amazon is running. Your website will be running from the same technology where Google is running. So cloud hosting is future, and the cloud hosting becomes surprisingly affordable for a common man in 2022. Okay, it is 2023. Previously, when I started 2013-14, it used to be very costly. Now it became surprisingly affordable. Okay, only 300 rupees per month. Okay, first 3 months free. Okay, that's why I ask you to create a cloud hosting account. Okay, first 3 months free, then it will be 300 rupees per month. So always choose AWS because your website will be running from the same technology where Amazon is running. There are only three major cloud companies in the world. Okay, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Okay, Oracle. There are many other providers. This is the providers. This Amazon is the best providers for the best value for money. Okay, unlimited number of websites you can host. So now I told you, okay, why we choose GoDaddy, why we choose Amazon, because we are building a solid online foundation. Yeah, we are not building a website here. Okay, whatever the hosting providers you use, Hostinger, Bluehost, they use cloud at the backend. They use this infrastructure at the backend. Okay, if they are giving the same infrastructure at the cheapest price, affordable price, why can't we directly go and use that? So that is why always choose Amazon web server. I'm going to do it live. Okay. So can we go ahead and create the solid online foundation now? Type yes. I'm going to do it live. It is going to take 20 minutes. Okay. I can see it's not freezed. So the goal is to complete today's exercise by tomorrow 7 p.m. Okay. Not please don't do it by following me. After this session, go watch the recording. First watch the recording and then do it. Okay, keep your phone to the right, watch the recording and do it. Keep your laptop on the right and do it in the laptop. It will be very easy. Okay, so the goal is to complete by tomorrow before coming to the session. Okay, and there is a support on the WhatsApp group. Okay, how support works, at the end I'll take some questions. Okay, and from tomorrow 6 a.m. I'll open the WhatsApp group. It will always be open. From 6 a.m. till 6 p.m. you can post your questions. Okay, and I'll respond to each and every one of your questions only in the group. Okay, in the WhatsApp group you have to send me message in the only in the WhatsApp group, not privately. It is no, privately my very support team is handling my support things. Okay, you have to send message only in the WhatsApp group. Type clear if it is clear. Okay, I'm going to share my screen. Yeah, if you can, if you have already have a domain in GoDaddy, you will learn how to use it. Okay, I will share the screen. I will share the screen. Okay. Now, if you go to your core success link, you can see my screen, right? Type yes. So this is the core success link. Okay. So this is what we are going to do today. Exercise 1.1, how to register a domain name. It is only 3 minutes. And exercise 1.2, 10 minutes, how to create a cloud hosting. This is what we are going to do. Okay. And then you will see a black sparrow like this. Once you get this, okay, first I will tell you how to how to register a domain name. How to register a domain name, you have to go to GoDaddy first. So before registering a domain name, you have to first verify whether it is clean. Okay, what is the domain name you have in mind? Someone type your domain name. I will verify that whether that is clean or not. Okay. Anyone already have a domain name? Type your domain name. First go to ishtagupta.com. Okay, I will search, I will check whether this domain name is clean or not. Copy. First, you have to go to 5 domain history. Sorry, okay. You have to put your domain name here, Ishta Gupta, the domain name you have in your mind. Enter. Okay. HTTPS. So there is no history for this domain name. It means it is clear, clean. Okay. I will search my domain name. I will show you an example. So I registered jagankrish.com only on 2021, but it is there from 2017. What you have to do is go click 2017, press this and click here. You will see what is done on this domain name on 2017. If you see some adult content, gambling content, illegal content, please don't register that domain name. Okay, it is not going to work. So this is how you check the domain history. It should not get any results. Okay, I will check this. Bimlesh Kumar Lal. Okay. Sorry. Okay. I will check this domain name. So this domain name is clean. Okay. Then what I will do is I will go and check the transparency report of Google from Google. I want to know whether the domain name I have in my mind is not backlisted by Google. Okay. JaganKrish.com. I see no results here. It means it is not backlisted. Okay. And now I search other domain name, ishatagupta.com. If you see a result here, it means it is backlisted by Google. Please don't register that domain name. Okay. No matter how much work you put in, how much money you put in that domain name, it will not work. So there is no results here. It means it is clean. I can go and register ishatagupta.com. Okay. Now I know this is clean by checking 5 and 6. I know the domain name has no black marks in the history. Okay. Now I'll go to GoDaddy. I will search the domain name I have in my mind. Okay. I will search this domain name. You need to have a GoDaddy account. So .com is available. Okay. I have done the work for you. This is very good domain name. .com is available. You can go and register this domain name for 139 rupees. Okay. And if you scroll down, you see .co, .tv, .store. These are all the second level domain names. Okay. You cannot register all these domain names. I will show you .io. See, they are not showing .io because they don't want you to know. Okay. I will just check. IO is there. See, this is there, but the price is 3,499. Okay. If .com is available, choose .com. Always choose .com. If .com is not available, choose .in. Okay. So now this is only 49 rupees. I will just go click on make it yours. Okay. I will click on continue to cart. I will not register. Don't worry, Ishta. Okay. First, this is very, very important. Okay. This, you have to uncheck this box. If you check this box, today's exercise, you will take 2 or 3 hours. Okay. Please uncheck this box. GoDaddy wants you to use their hosting service. We know that GoDaddy is a good domain service provider. They are not good hosting service provider. That's why we are using Amazon Cloud Hosting. So please don't use this. Uncheck this box. Type clear if it is clear. You have to uncheck this. Okay. Type clear. Okay. And no thanks. Click on continue to cart. Continue to cart. If you don't have a GoDaddy account, it will be, see, now for 3 years. If you don't know, first, if you don't know whether you are going to do business for the next 5 years, do not register for 5 years. I said 5 years only for the people who already have an asset, who generate money using the website. If you are not clear about the path of your website, just register for 2 years or 1 year. Okay, 2 years it is coming for 998. 1 year it will come for 100 rupees or something. Okay, 599. I would suggest to go for 2 years. Click on I am ready to pay. Okay, if I click on complete purchase, it will come to my account, so I will not do it. If you click on complete purchase, there will be options for UPI and Paytm, everything that you can use, and you can buy this domain name. Once you buy this domain name, I will tell you how it comes. Here in the my products, like this, it will appear. Okay, like this your domain name will appear. Okay, and sorry, and you will see something called DNS here. DNS, you have to click this. Okay, you will find something like this. We need this page. Okay, I will put this. Okay, just now we have created the domain name. We have created the domain name. Okay, now I'll go to the core success link. I have registered the domain name. This video is very, very clear. Even if you don't have a GoDaddy account, here I will let you know how to create a GoDaddy account. Create a new email address so that you will be charged very less. When I say new, I have a reason why I say to create a new email address, because they will charge very less. They are charging 599 because I have an old account. Okay. Now we have a domain name. Now we are going to create a cloud hosting. To create a cloud hosting, first go to button 2. You see 3 months free. You have to click on get started with Lightsail. I already have a Lightsail account, so I cannot show you the creation process, but I will show you this recording so that you know how to create it. This is very important because non-technical people will find this difficult. Okay, I will go to AWS Cloud. 5 simple steps. Go to 3 months free. Click on this button, sign up for free. Here, give the same email address. Give the same email address you have given for the domain name. Okay, I created a new domain name, so I created a new email address. I use the same email address here. Okay. Here you will find a create new AWS account. You have to click this button. Okay. And here give the same email address, and the AWS account name is the domain name. Okay. Is your domain name? In my case, it is LMF workshop. You can give anything, but I suggest to give your domain name, LMF workshop. Okay, then click on verify your email address. It will send a verification code for your email address. Put that verification code. Then it will ask for your password. Please create a strong password and save this password. Okay, you cannot lose this password. Go to strong password manager in Google. In Google, type strong password manager and create a strong password. This is very, very recommended. I think Dharmavar, you came late. That's why you don't know what is domain name. I will explain at the end. Okay. Root user password. Put your password and save that password in somewhere safe. Click on continue. Go to the second step. Here, always choose personal. Okay, don't choose business. Even if you are a business, don't choose business. Choose personal. Give the right billing address here. After you give the correct billing address, click on I have agreed this checkbox. Click on continue. Now they will ask for a credit card. Here in my previous workshop, some people use the debit card and it is not working. Try to use an international debit card or a credit card. They will charge you 2 rupees. Okay. This is just a credit card account. Okay. Do you have a plan? You can choose no for now. Okay. Go to next step. And they will charge you 2 rupees. After you do the 2 rupees, you will find something called congratulations. Then they will ask you to confirm your mobile number, put your right mobile number, and verify the mobile number using OTP. Okay. Once you verify it, you will see this. Okay. Once you see this, congratulations, your AWS account is created. From here, I'm going to do it live. Okay. Because these things will keep on changing. Okay. That's why I'm doing it live. Now, your AWS account is created. Now, what I'm going to do is go to LMF core success page. This is the LMF core success page. Now I'll click on this button, open Lightsail create. I will click this button, third button, and I will not change anything here in this page. Okay, in this page, same WordPress. Okay, I suggest you to choose this $5 instance. If you are really serious about your business, and this will still work. Okay, but I don't suggest this. I will suggest this for you to use this $5 instance. Choose 5. For the first 3 months, it is free. After that, you will be charged $5 per month. Okay, it will be 400 rupees or something. Okay, here choose LMF workshop or anything. Okay, workshop. Your domain name. Click on create instance. Okay, you see that 1 GB RAM, 40 GB SSD is creating. It will take some 10 or 20 seconds. Let's wait. Okay, it will take only 10 or 20 seconds. So once this is created, the cloud hosting is created. So your website will be running on the same technology where Amazon is running. So let's wait. This pending will be changed to running like this. See, now it's running. Okay, now I want you to click this LMF workshop. I want you to go to networking. Here, there is something called attached static IP. Can you see this? Okay. Attached static IP. Name this IP. You don't have to change anything. I want you to click on create and attach. That's all. Okay. Continue. Now, can you see this IP address? 13.233. I want you to copy this. I want you to come to GoDaddy. Okay, GoDaddy is where we created a domain name. Okay, here I want you to click on add. Here I want you to choose A. Here I want you to choose at. Here I want you to paste the static IP. Okay, this is the IP address of Amazon. We are connecting Amazon cloud account with GoDaddy. Okay, paste this value here. Choose half an hour. Click on add a record. Okay, then it will come here like this at. Okay, then you have to do the same process again. Okay, you have to click on add. You have to choose A. This time you have to put star and the same IP address paste. Choose half an hour and click on add. Once you do this, you see 2 A records. Can you see any? If you can see 2 A records, type yes. Okay, there are no other A's in this. Okay, if you see any other A's, I want you to delete it. Suppose if I see any other, there are only 2 A's, and this 2 A's gets the IP address that I created from Amazon. Once you do this, if you find any other A's, I want you to delete. If you find any other A's, it means that GoDaddy added it. Okay, you didn't uncheck the box when creating a domain name. Start website for free. Okay, if you have something for free, they will add this and they will want you to use their GoDaddy's hosting. We don't want that. Okay, now only 2 A's. This is very, very important. Once you do this, if you go to the lmfworkshop.live, the domain name that you have registered, you will see a back screen like this. If you see a black screen with the sparrow, today's exercise is complete. You have to take a screenshot of this page and post it in the WhatsApp group tomorrow by 6 a.m. Okay, I will show you this. Okay, so don't do 1.3. Okay, we do 1.3 tomorrow. Okay, if you see this, if you can, your domain name, you type it. If this black screen with the sparrow comes, today's exercise is complete. I will tell you, there is a tool called DNS propagation checker tool. Okay, for some people it will not happen immediately. Okay, it will take 1 hour, 2 hours. Just because we are using the best providers in this world, it will happen instantly. If you do it right, it will happen within 5 minutes. Okay, now I want you to type the here in the DNS checkers tool, LMF workshop.live. You have to choose A. If you choose search, you will see all tick marks here, and you will see the IP address that you created on AWS. Here, if you see all tick marks here, it means your website is propagated, is available to the entire world. Okay. So that's all for today. I will stop screen sharing. Now I'll take questions for 10 minutes. Sorry for the hiccups today. Now I'll answer the question. Okay, what is the domain name? Anyone like to answer? JaganKrish.com. That is called a domain name, sir. Dharmavir, sir. Jagan Krish is a domain name. Okay, what is dharmavir.com? You will register, right? That is a domain name. Okay, so today's exercise, is it easy? Will you able to do it? Today's exercise is somewhat tricky. If you don't follow that order, you will find some difficulties. If you just follow my recording, don't go and directly see do the 1.1 and 1.2. Follow the recording where I do live. This GoDaddy and AWS will keep on changing things. Okay, you will get confused because GoDaddy wants you to use their hosting service. Okay, we don't want to use GoDaddy's hosting service because they are not a good hosting provider. Okay, do this black sparrow, LMF workshop.live. If this comes, today's exercise is complete. Don't do 1.3. We'll do that tomorrow live. Okay, log into this and installing SSL certificate. Yeah. Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, Soumya. Okay, madam. Yeah. So go do this. Okay, we need this system. We are building a solid online foundation. We choose a world's best domain company. We choose a world's best, not world's best, that affordable cloud hosting company. Okay, Amazon. So we are building a foundation. If we do set this foundation right, it saves so much of money in the marketing. Trust me. Okay, it saves so much of money. The case study in my website, I put it right. Why it is my ad campaigns, why I spend less is I set this foundation right. Okay. So do this. If you do this, if you have 2 domains, how we add it? So that is not in the scope of this course. Okay. You can just search on YouTube how to host multiple domain names on AWS instance. I will send you the search query. You can search it and do it. Okay. In this workshop, we will do only one. This recording will be there in the LMF core success page in the next 1 hour. Okay. So please post your questions. We completed in 8:30. So now today we have created a domain name and hosting. Do you know tomorrow we are going to create a lifetime free SSL certificate. What is the best world's security company? What is the world's best security company? Go and research it from YouTube. Okay, we are going to create a website security from world's best security company tomorrow, and that is free for life. Okay, yeah. So email is not covered in this course, sir. You can see GoDaddy has an excellent voice support. Okay, dial their number. Tell them you need to add those 2 A records. Just tell them the number, the IP address. They will add it for you. If you cannot do it, if you follow my tutorials, you can do it easily. Okay. If you cannot do it, if you find the discrepancies in the price, you call them, ask for a discount, they will give it. Okay, though GoDaddy, the price is higher compared to other service provider because the quality of service is good. Okay. What is cloud hosting? Cloud hosting is it is not somewhere in the cloud. Okay, these Amazon big companies, okay, they run they get, for example, Google is a big company, Amazon is a big company, they outsource their technology in a small pieces. Okay, that is called cloud hosting. We use that technology. Okay, cloud hosting is the future. And if you use other hosting company services also, they will use this at the backend. Not all cloud hostings are same. We know only Amazon and Google have the data. Okay, they handle millions of websites in the every single day. Only they have the data. They give their technology at the cheapest price, affordable price. We use that. What to do with the existing? So if you get confused with the existing website, you will not complete this course. If you want to complete this course, go and create a sample domain name. Wherever you see 99 rupees domain name, right? digitalcv.live, your name jagankrish.live, go and register a sample domain name, 99 rupees. Okay, and complete this course. Final day we will do a testing with your existing website and this website. You will see understand the difference. Okay, why we are creating this is we are going to use this system to do marketing. Okay, so that we save so much of money. This is why we are creating the system. So we cannot afford to use other providers, small players. Okay, expand Amazon Web Services. AWS is Amazon Web Services. Amazon is a company we buy, right? Amazon we use the apps, right? That company is giving that technology for not for free, for affordable thing. Do we cover even FB campaign? No, sir. Okay, do you think we can do it in five days, Prashant? 5th day, I will tell you. Not ad campaigns. I will tell you how to create ads. So how to create record ads. Yeah. How to access recordings? Okay. How to access recordings? Good question. See, there is a core success link. Okay, I will send it here. In the first WhatsApp message we sent, there are 3 links. First is onboarding link. Second is core success link. Okay. You have to use your own core success link. Okay, I paste this. This is my core success link. If you use your own core success link, you can access this course even after this workshop, after Saturday. Okay, use your core success link. If you don't have it, use mine. Okay. So if you open the core success link, it will come like this. Day 1 will be there. Okay, here day 1 recording will be there. And these are the tools. These are the exercises you have to do today. 1.1 and 1.2. Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow morning, I'll open the group and it will be open from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So people who have questions can stay. I will take voice questions for 5 minutes. Others can leave and do the exercise today. Okay. Yeah. I will allow you to unmute for 5 minutes. For any questions, you can unmute and speak. And tomorrow, please join 10 minutes early. Okay, tomorrow is the day. My previous batch people, everyone will join because we have so much time for one-to-one questions. Okay, so tomorrow come at 7:20 p.m. not 7:30. Okay, the session starts exactly at 7:32. Okay, tomorrow there will be no delays. Yeah, and if you have any questions, how much is the pricing for 3 months? First 3 months it's free. For some people in remote areas, they are giving 1 year for free. Okay, I'm sitting in Bangalore. For me, it is only 3 months. Some people in my previous batches get 1 year free. Okay. After 3 months, if you choose $3.5 instance, it will come 200 or 300 rupees per month. If you choose $10 instance, you will get 800 rupees per month. Okay. And at the end of the session, if you don't like to use AWS, on the 5th day, there is a video. I will tell you how to delete it. Okay. I will take questions for because there is a hiccups today. My internet connection was not working. That's why I'm staying here for 5 more minutes. I will take questions. Okay.
Hi, Jagan.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is Tandeep. Very good evening to all. If nobody has a question, I have a quick question. Like I have a domain name So why this hosting is needed? I'm not able to connect to it. Please help me understand
So
that.
we have to put the website files, images, videos somewhere, right?
Okay, okay, yeah.
For that, we need space. In the
Okay.
AWS, if you have created, if you see, there is a 1 GB RAM and 40 GB of storage space we get
Storage
for
space.
this $5.
Oh.
Okay, for this $5, we get 40 GB of space. We can put our files there.
Oh, I
That
see
is why
now.
we need a hosting. That's why we pay 300 rupees every single month for them.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that's why we need the hosting. And we are choosing the best provider in this planet. Only 300 rupees, 40 GB.
All right.
And host any number of websites.
All right. Thank you.
Okay. So I'll end up today's session. Okay. I will start tomorrow's session by 7:20. The WhatsApp group will be opened by tomorrow 6 a.m. Post your questions there. Okay. Anyone who completes the exercise, today's exercise is somewhat tricky. Okay. You have to do in that order. Okay. You have to do that and wait for some time. Okay. Usually, if you call GoDaddy, they will say 48 hours for the website to work. But I know it will work within the 10 or 15 minutes if you do it right. If it is not working if you cannot see the black sparrow within 10 or 15 minutes, go and check the 7th button, DNS checker tool. Check the IP address you have put it is right. Okay. Homework screenshot, post it on the WhatsApp group, LMF 10, Jan 23 to 27. That WhatsApp group, 50 people are there, right? That group you have to post it. Okay. Even if you have any questions, if you have any doubts, post it there. I will be able to answer. Okay. 3 times I will answer: morning, afternoon, evening. Okay. Yeah. I will end up the session. We will meet tomorrow at 7:20 p.m. Okay. Good night, all. The recording will be uploaded in another 30 minutes. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jagan.